Welcome students in our platform of history. Today we shall make revision of the chapter The French Revolution through my PowerPoint presentation. This is one of the most important chapter of the history syllabus of class 9. So let's start with the chapter. Some basic concept we shall discuss regarding the chapter. Look at the map of France. In this map of France, we have to know the location of 4 places. One is Paris, second is Bordeaux and Nantes. Both these were the ports, and in the southern most part of France you will see Marseille. Marseille is one of the famous city of France, from where the national anthem of France originated. So just see the location of the 4 cities: Paris in the western side, Nantes and Bordeaux, and in the southernmost side Marseille. Then it's the definition of revolution by different scholars, that revolution is a struggle of the people to bring about a fundamental change in the government of the country. Revolution is a vital force for the advancement of mankind. Very interesting definition is given by Mao, one of the greatest revolutionary of China. Just look at the definition. Now let's deal with the causes of the revolution. You all are very much aware with the causes of the revolution. Political causes: Louis XVI was autocratic, concentrated all power in his own hand. The king regarded himself to be the representative of God on earth. Punishment was very harsh. Torture was common. Method of tax collection was very faulty. Political causes. Then very important one was the social cause. You all are aware the Society of States was there. First state, second state, third state. First state comprises clergy, second state nobility, third states common man, middle class, poor peoples. The commoner constituted about 85% of the total population, paying 80% of their income as tax. The first 2 states were exempted from the payment of taxes, and all the taxes were to be paid by the people belonging to third states. Then see the economic causes. A lot of taxes were used to be realized from the people of belonging to third states. See the various taxes. The farmer used to pay 1/10 of their income to the church, that was known as tithe. Then salt tax was there, war tax was there, tail tax was there. Farmers also had to pay income tax. Lot of taxes were used to be realized from the people of third states. Then role of the intellectuals. We have studied 3 philosophers have played a very important role through their writings. They have contributed to the rise of revolutions. Rousseau through his book Social Contract, John Locke, Two Treatises of Government, Montesquieu, Spirit of Law, where he propounded the theory of the separation of power, where the powers of the government should be decentralized into 3 organs: legislature, executive, judiciary. Then that is the immediate cause: Tennis Court Oath and the Constitution of 1791, which was drafted just after the Revolution of 1789 and which provided a lot of rights and freedom to the people. Bastille was fallen on 14th July 1789. Then see the works of the Government of National Assembly. The first government which was formed in France after the revolution was National Assembly. It drafted the constitution. It changed the system from absolute to constitutional monarchism. Powers of the government were assigned to 3 institutions. Election system was started. Right to vote was granted. Declaration of the Rights of Man. Then about the Jacobins. These are the Jacobin clubs. Maximilien Robespierre was the leader, who also formed the government in France. from 1793 to 1794, which was known as the Reign of Terror. This is Legislative Assembly. Revolutionary War. Austria and Prussia declared war against France at the instigation of Louis XVI, but they were defeated in the Battle of Valmy. And in this way, the revolutionary government of France was safeguarded. Guillotine, you all know, that was a system of beheading a person. It was a form of punishment given to those who committed heinous crimes. Marshall was the national anthem of France, composed by Claude Delisle. National Convention government was formed. Look at this. Right to vote was given to all persons of 21 years or above, but women were denied from the right to vote. Monarchical system was abolished. Republican system was established in France. Reign of Terror. See, Robespierre executed the king, queen, and many others who were supposed to be the follower of king. Slavery was abolished by Robespierre. Later on, Robespierre himself was executed. A new government was formed after Robespierre, that was the Directory government from 1795 to 1909. These are some of the features of the government of Directory, executive body consisting of 5 directors. Later on, we find again one man rule was started in France in the form of Napoleon, who ruled over France for many years. This is the Atlantic slave trade. We will discuss about the slave trade. Already we have discussed, and I will present you one more video where I will further explain the triangular slave trade. From Europe to Africa, Africa to America, West Indies particularly, and again West Indies to Europe, triangular slave trade.